Hello, people. I've chosen to do this recording right now, but actually, someone has just connected with me for a palm reading. Like, I do palm reading through WhatsApp. So, I just need to rush and do that. But I felt I had to do this video because, yeah, sweethearts, the bond that you and me share, I mean, like, no, really, regardless of whether anyone is actually watching my videos, these are like, it's like recording time, like especially recording the time soon after applying makeup. I think it's very special. And again, I'm back to my garish color, this thing, but it's matching with my dress. I've realized that sometimes just dressing up well, even if you're at home, it kind of makes one feel good. I don't know what that logic is, but there is logic to it. And so, yesterday I began reading two books actually. One is On Camera, Off Camera by Bhavna Somaya, who's been a film journalist. And basically, this close to, I think, 400-page book. Yeah, easily. No, okay, maybe 300-page book is uh, is basically a collection of interviews of these many stars over the years, like over the years, as in from the 90s decade, like Sri Devi's interview to Rishi Kapoor's to Anil Kapoor to, it's a whole spectrum. So I find this quite interesting. It's called On Camera, Off Camera, and I got it on Amazon. And once I finish reading, I'll do a detailed review. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.